just push right, push left, push right, push left. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, back with another video. I think I've come kicking it with me today. So I got to thinking, and I never really told y'all. I showed y'all how to start the motorcycle, how to shift gears on the motorcycle, but I never showed y'all how to actually steer a motorcycle. And I think somebody commented like, hey Q, you got to show them how to steer it as well. I'm like, damn, you're right, that's a good point. I didn't show you how to steer. So that is going to bring us to today's subject, which is counter steering and how to counter steer on a motorcycle. I don't know why I got the name counter steering, to be honest with you. Never looked it up to see why they call it counter steering, but I think I have an idea because what I'm about to show you, I'm going to explain. I think that's why. So basically, to steer a motorcycle, it is not like a car. You do not turn the wheel. First of all, you have no wheel, you have handlebars, right? So you don't just turn the handlebars. So what I mean by that is, if you want to go right, you don't just take the handlebars and turn to the right to go right, or turn to the left to go left. That's not how it works. So with counter steering, to go right, you have two ways to go right or two ways to go left. To go right, you can either take your right hand here on the bar and push to the right, and once you do that, the bike will fall to the right. Now notice something here. I'm not sure if y'all can see down there in my forks and everything. When I push to the right, the wheel turns left. You see that, right? I'm not sure if y'all can see that. So I think that's why they call it counter steer, because it's kind of opposite. For quickly, the wheel will turn to the left, but then the bike will fall to the right. It's a crazy kind of concept. So that's one way. You take your right hand and you push. Push right, go right. The second way to go right is with your left hand. You take your left hand here and you pull. Pull your left grip towards you. And that's going to make you go right. So, and as you see the front of, you see the triple tree here and the keys and everything. Watch, when I push right, see everything kind of goes to the right. Watch how when I pull. It's the same motion when I pull. When I pull, it goes that way. So if I'm pushing, it's going that way. If I'm pulling, the bike is still going to go to the right. So two ways. You either push right or pull your left to go right. And going to my left side, it's the same thing, just the opposite way. To go to my left, I just take my left hand here, push. I push here, bike's going to go left. Or the other way to go left, my right hand, and I pull, and the bike will go left. So you can see it's the same motion. When I push left, watch here the triple tree. Push. See, it goes to the right. Same thing if I pull with my right now, pull. You see it's still going that way. So that's how it works. I'll repeat that one more time. To go right, you can either push with your right or pull with your left. To go left, you can either push with your left or pull towards you with your right. Now, when I say push, we're not pushing down, guys. Like, we're not pushing down towards the ground here, like towards my feet. You're not doing that. You're pushing forward. Like, so I'm taking my hand here and I'm pushing forward, pushing the bars forward. I'm not pushing down, because pushing down, it ain't gonna do nothing. You're not gonna go anywhere. You're gonna be going straight, right? So make sure you're pushing forward, push forward. That pretty much explains it, guys. Again, it's a little different concept, honestly, but once you get on the motorcycle and start doing it, it comes kind of natural, to be honest with you. It's very a natural feeling. I will say that I'm a 99.9% pusher. I push whichever way I'm going. That's just me. It works for me. Only time I pull, if I'm riding with like one hand, let's say I'm riding with one hand here, and I pull to go to the left, you know, that's the only time. Otherwise, I'm pushing whichever way I go. But it's cool that you can ride a motorcycle, switch lanes with one hand. If you're in the car and you see a motorcycle riding one hand, he can switch lanes. That's how. He's either pushing or pulling, whichever way he want to go. Let's go ahead and show y'all some real world application here now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So let's say right now I'm in this side of the lane right here, and I want to go there. Watch, I just push to the right. Watch my hand just push. Look, the bike goes right. If I want to go to the left, take my left hand here, I just push, and the bike goes back to the left. So yeah, it's a very different mind concept than like driving the car, because in the car, like I said, you just want to turn the handlebar. It's not like that. You just want to turn. It's not like that. So right here on this turn, I want to go left. All right, when it's neutral. So hold on. Woo! All right, so I'm in this lane. I want to get over one. This car got in front of me. Take my right hand, just push to the right, and the bike goes right. And it don't take much, you know, not that much at all. Watch this. I can probably do it one finger. Watch this. One finger to the left, bike goes to the left. It doesn't take much input at all. Now, you don't always have to push. Some people pull. Say if I want to go to the right again, I don't have to push on my right bar. I can pull with my left hand. So watch this. If I pull, I go to the right. You see? Same thing on the right side. If I pull, I go to the left. Just like that. Very different than what you may be used to in a car. It is a little different. It does take something getting used to. It actually, you know what? Oh, okay. My bad, doggy. You ain't even do nothing, bro. If I want to go to the right, I can either push to the right. Watch me push. See, I go to the right. And let's say if I want to go to the right, I can just pull my left hand. Pull, and I go to the right. Opposite concept on the left. If I want to go to the left, watch me. I'm push my left, the bike goes left. Or if my left is unable, I can just pull with my right, and it goes left. So I know like a lot of the track guys, I was reading or listening to one guy, he was saying when he on his throttle hand, he doesn't to go right, he doesn't push, he pulls with his left. So because if I pull with my left, when I pull, the bike goes right. So he doesn't push, he pulls, because that's his throttle hand. He doesn't want to mess his throttle hand up or something like that. Pretty cool concept. I never thought about that. That's pretty much counter steering, guys. I was about to say it takes some getting used to, but it honestly doesn't. It's almost like a natural instinct. Once you start riding, you naturally kind of do it. Yeah, and it's that simple. If I just push right, push left, push right, push left. Opposite, pull right, pull left, pull, pull. Still the same thing, man. So if you push on your right, you're gonna go right. If you pull on your right, you're gonna go left. If you push on your left, you're gonna go left. And if you pull on your left, you're gonna go right. So, I mean, that's the cool thing about him. Look at this idiot. I swear to God. Y'all saw that, right? Just people. That's what you gotta be aware of on a motorcycle. Like, I know she probably thought I was letting her go, but I wasn't letting you go, honestly. Anywho, God, that just threw me all off. Let me. Okay, here we go. 99% of the time, I push to go where I want to go. It's just easier for me to push to go right and to push to go left. It's just for my mind, it works easier. So, like right here in this turn, I actually don't think about this at all. So I actually can't even tell y'all what I think when I turn. Where the hell is she going? Look, this is the type of stuff you get. She is trying to make a U-turn where you, oh, the railroad track broken? Oh, the railroad track is broken. I'm about to say, she is trying to make a U-turn in the middle of the thing where there's no U-turn. But I guess the railroad is broken. Oh, damn. What he gonna do? He don't see that right there? Look, he's like, damn. Damn, Dunn. What you gonna do, Dunn? You gotta turn around, Dunn. Can't go right there, Dunn. No, Dunn. Can't do that, bruh. The light's not even flashing. And only one side is down. Okay. Look, they didn't block me, bruh. You go ahead. Oh, man, it's clustered. Coming up on this turn, I just want to push to the left just a little bit. I'm not pushing, I can push this 1-2 fingers and the bike is going. Like, it doesn't take much at all. You'll be surprised how small of an effort it takes to get the bike to move left or right. Not very much. Not very much at all. I hope that kind of explained counter steering to you guys a little bit, because like I said, it can be very hard to kind of get it just watching the video. Honestly, I mean, when I first started watching it was very confusing, but once you got there and actually start riding, it's gonna make sense. It's gonna feel natural almost, honestly. But anyway, that's all I got. Hopefully they helped y'all out. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.